After 15 years of experience with consulting firm and deep understanding of digital marketing, here are the key strategies that you can use to stand out. I cannot emphasize how much one thing can change your entire business game for years to come. Guess what? SEO. So just don't build websites as brochures. Find keywords that drive traffic, has high search volume, and less keyword difficulty within informational intent. Secondly, build thought leadership and aim to get a LinkedIn badge to showcase your credibility and build trust. Third, understand your customer behavior by constantly analyzing data and more data. Last and the most important one, your email needs to be personalized. You need to show them that you know them. Think outside the inbox and follow us.